and about the thing with Elon Musk and his first purchase after graduating university. He bought a local business directory for just a few $100s, renamed it to Zip2, built it up, and just a couple of years later sold it for $307 million. It just goes to show that with the right knowledge you can turn a purchase into an incredible investment. Speaking about Elon Musk, do you know the surprising thing he and his employers often do after work? Be sure to stick around to find out what it is. Today we will go through the 6 specific items to buy to build your wealth that the average person unfortunately neglects. Building wealth is a time-consuming process in most cases. Although the idea of becoming an overnight millionaire appeals to many people, the only real way to become wealthy overnight is through speculation, inheritance, or a lottery win. The following list is a great checklist to speed up your path to wealth. So let's jump straight into it. This video is part of a 6-part series. If this important topic interests you, then you really don't want to miss the next part of this series. It covers something that most people, unfortunately, are totally clueless about. So to keep accelerating your financial knowledge, you should consider subscribing and make sure to watch the next part of this series. I'll see you over there.